Great, I'm outside. And it's been raining. Great. This. Yeah, so, what's that? Hello? I know it's that, but, yes, enough video. Lack of content lately, no. This. No, we're outside. It's been raining. It's getting temperature. Because it's been video games all day and that. So I think perfect time you called outside. And not about you, creature. Whatever you, what is that? Anyways, I guess this video about this creature. I deal with this. We don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's like over there. Is that a stick guy? Is that meme trend from the Italian brainwash thing? Yeah. I don't know what to do. Let me just. The 27. I don't think you know if you're just standing there looking at something. Yep, best to be careful. This, he can be anywhere. Yeah, any attack. Oh, there's a cat. Yeah. Yes, cats. I know there was a cat. I'm sure I got him. For some reason. Yeah, he's still there. I know he just jumped off. Great. So. Is that a man? What's that? It's like a stick guy. A wood. With some sort of bat or something. I don't know what that is. That like that tiny brainwash thing. So I was walking home. There's some fresh air, plenty of fresh air. So yeah, outside, got nothing to do. I had no ideas for video. There's loads of ideas, and yeah. But now I'm just calling myself being outside. So there you go, I'm outside. Okay. Yeah. What is this? What? Someone's getting creepy. That's being weird. It's flat. I can't sit down. No, so I'm just walking around. So yeah, yes. So yes. Again, I'm putting outside. I don't know why. It's a backyard garden. And I think we done that video about the garden before. Oh yeah, that. Yeah, oh yeah, I think this one and the last channel. What not changed. This is my channel from now on. We don't know if I can get back on this channel for now. What is that? Oh, don't worry, that's just from that just sit in the fire. And I just went to sleep and that. I know. Why is that? It was a bit. I'm not quite sure. I was say playing video games and that. Oh. Who's that? He's back again. And they ready to attack. No. You surprise me. Anyway, be careful. So yes. Yes, I know it's late for tung sahur because I had nothing to do, and I thought it would be an idea to do that before the end of the time boring what thing, you know. So before it's gone, because I'm not doing it in like 2 years ago when it's actually completely gone, and I was really talk about it. So, yes, next week might see you next week. Bye bye.